Someone asked in a comment how I mounted these ram balls onto the handlebar of my RS. And to be honest, I cannot remember how I did this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew this one and see what arrangement there is underneath here so I can answer that question. First, I unscrew this. This is a 4mm hex screw. So I'll take this out and then take out the bit underneath. With the 4mm hex screw removed, you can see what's remaining. It's some sort of a bolt, which we're going to remove, but it has a hex head. And in the hex head, there are threads for the 4mm screw that we just removed. So this is what was removed. You can see it's a special bolt that is, it's got a hex head, and that is a 13mm hex head with the threads inside for the screw that is in here. And that shoulder, it looks like it's about 15mm long, and the threaded part would be similar to what's removed, which would be probably like 35. I think that's an 8mm, and I do have the part number for that from a different video. It looks like an 8 by 30. In this case here, it's an 8 by 30, but the actual screw that is removed, and I had to buy special screws for here. The BMW part number I'll put in the description, but I believe that that is 8 by 35 metric screws, Torx head. So the threaded part of the bolts that we just removed from there could probably be 35mm as well, but I see in this case it appears as though they're about 30mm long. So 30mm threaded, 8 by 30, and 15 with a 13mm hex head is what's required. Now to source that, I must confess I don't have the particulars on that because at that time I didn't make a video when I removed the NAV6 from its factory location here and installed the NAV6 up here using a Vortex mount. I do have the video for the Vortex installation, but I don't have any details on the removal and then the subsequent installation of this little modification here.